Okay guys, I haven't vlogged for a day, but I'm getting everything ready for tomorrow. We leave to Mexico, but I want to show you guys my eyelashes I got done today. Can you see that they look good? I love them. So I'm like brushing them with my hand. I got my eyelashes done. I did my nails. I just did ombre because I always do ombre. I'm just so boring. Just got French tip. I'm super excited and nervous. It's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow because we're gonna be up at 3 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be rough. But it's all good. We can do this. Hopefully. So I just have my makeup case ready too. Because, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the suitcase. Hopefully. I'm scared. Ugh, I really don't want anyone to steal it, but I don't think anybody will, right? I wonder if I could, like, carry it on the plane with me. But then, like, what if I forget it? I don't know. I honestly might carry this with me. It's the makeup. I just don't want it to get stolen, so I might carry it with me. Excited to go. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. Anyways, I will see you guys in 5 hours. Hi guys, the day's finally here. We go to Mexico today. I'm so freaking excited. So I need to rush to put my makeup on because I gotta go upstairs and get Madison ready. Brush my eyelashes. Something comfy. It's so stupid. Are you excited? Relax, hang out. You ready for Mexico, Maddie? Yeah? Yeah? Are you happy first?
He's like, I'm not doing it. I can turn 5. You excited? I'm so excited for you. So pretty.
Yep, they have the plane right now, and I'm so tired.
Well, let's time to do the flight 70. We're going to Cancun. Happy to have you with us. Welcome aboard.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Hey.
Hey.
Leave yourself alone.